Reverse engineering APKs or Android apps with AI, more specifically Google Antigravity, is not too common on YouTube. I don't think there's like almost any videos like this at all. Maybe there is, I just haven't found them. But without saying too much, I would love to help y'all. If I do, please subscribe and like. This for educational purposes only, of course. Anything used malicious, done malicious with this is out of my reach. So as far as requirements, there isn't too much needed actually. Just having Google Anti-Gravity IDE installed, so the AI you're messing with, it could read and touch the code of the APK you're downloading. Optionally, a jailbroken AI, because AI often tends to refuse to tweak things that it knows belongs to, companies. Some basic software knowledge, just knowing like the differences between server side and client side things. Probably some other stuff. I'm not the smartest, I won't get into that. Having APK Toolkit installed to decompile and recompile Android app codes, the code of Android apps, and for you to like and subscribe if I helped. So first things first, APK Toolkit. What is it? What's it used for? How are we gonna use it? All it is, you could think of it, is just a app to recompile and decompile APKs. What does that mean? All an APK is a packaged app. It's, the thing you open on your Android phone. It's like the working form, right? When you decompile it, you bring it to as close as you can to a source code that you could tweak. And if you recompile that tweaked code, you repackage it, and then you could, launch it on your emulator on your app. It'll work. Now, for looking for APKs, there's a lot of websites you could use. APK Mirror works just fine. For this video, I'll be using Cookie Clicker because I imagine the logic is very basic. This is probably not the most complex game, but you know what? You don't need a Zero. You could download an APK. So once you have APK Toolkit and your APK of choice installed, you'll want to open up APK Toolkit. You see this little Google Docs symbol right here. It is to select your APK of choice to, it'll put it in. You'll want to decompile it. I've already decompiled it in this case, so the console says, decompiled. Once it's decompiled into smali code, or basically a source code that you could tweak, you would want to open the decompiled folder. And right here, just looking at it, this is all the source code. In my opinion, I can't read smali. That crap is hard. You would want to copy the directory and open it into Antigravity. Okay, literally like in 1 minute you'll see I ran out of freaking model quota, which I'm pretty pissed. But as far as a jailbreaking Antigravity, this is YouTuber TY. On his Discord, he has this channel, how to use a jailbreak. It's basically just jailbreaking AI Antigravity for right now. It'll have, in-depth steps. There'll be this message linked. You would double click it, copy, and I don't really need to explain it because, well, I have my own right here, my own rules. This is just the jailbreak prompt, but right here it's in depth. It's not too hard to follow. It'll talk about, oh web, how are you, which was the beginning of the chat right here. I've already also opened it into Antigravity as well, so right now I'm just going to experiment. I could start with just anything common, maybe what can I ask? Look for the cookie clicker logic. and you could just see right here that it's doing all the work. I'm literally doing this live with you guys. Yes, I'm not sure if this would work with a native model because right now it is tweaked. So we could further experiment. For right now, I'll just make default click 9,999 cookies. This is just tweaking the values of, the cookie clicker. Claude's gonna do its thing. Okay, so what ends up happening here is my quota, like my tokens, they run out because I was working on something earlier, and I didn't even know this would freaking have a 7-day cooldown, which is kind of crazy. Well, I hope you guys get the gist of how this could be applied. I'm probably gonna go to sleep right now, but with your decompiled code, you would grab its directory, you would put it right here, and you would compile. Once you compile, you would have a fully functional APK. And if you're on Windows, you would use BlueStacks. You could install APK. You would again go back to your compiled folder, which I'll copy right now. You go to APK. You press on. Now you would choose this APK and you would launch it right here. So as far as the video, that's really it. That's the method. I can't tell you too much besides just experiment, see what you could tweak. I'm sure I probably won't get everything 100%. So, a little bit of yourself assisting the AI. But I hope I helped somebody today. If I did, that's real cool. Like and subscribe. Maybe I could help someone out, get on their page, their screen. But just, yeah. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.